Mr. Burnsy.
What's up?
Are you, you're fiddling with Gary's rear end.
Whoa. Where's Scotty at? No, I'm just kidding.
He's feeling all right.
Yeah, I am. I was getting ready to replace the seals, and I cleaned this guy up, and I
Getting ready to pull
the
the
nut off.
yoke off to do the pinion seal.
Yeah,
oh, that's... dude, wait, go in and out? That's on the nut. The nut's staying in place. So the nut's loose, so the pinion's loose. Hit that again. Go in and out. Oh yeah, that's...
Yeah, but what about that plate?
That's because it's loose, because it's not pulling the
pinion
gear
all the way
back.
forward?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess we'll get that off.
Let's get that off and see what we got going and go from there, because that's
I want to double check some
fucking
stuff.
scary.
Yeah, because we don't want
That would have not been fun.
anybody or whoever's gonna be driving this truck have this rear end lock up. And
I've done that. I've had rear ends lock up on me.
I've had a front axle lock up, and thank God I just got off the freeway, because the freeway I was doing 70. So can you imagine the front end?
Pinion on my Dodge went through the housing.
I remember that.
The Lincoln locker in the El Camino blew up on 74.
I remember that.
Good old Lincoln locker.
Yeah.
That was a 10 bolt.
I mean,
it wasn't going to take the power we were putting to it.
But the Dodge, at least you were cruising down the strip, right?
Yep.
Vegas.
And I put it in 4 low and dragged it into the Tropicana parking lot.
See, mine was the front axle of my Grand Cherokee, and it literally got off the freeway once we pulled in the parking lot, and it locked up.
That's all not good.
I don't know. I mean, we'll get the nut off. We'll grab the pinion.
Get the nut off. Let's see what we got. Get the seal, and then
And look inside.
let's try to put it back in. Yeah, see what we got.
Okay. I just gotta find something to hold that still.
Oogie Dougie, and yeah.
Dougie just spins it.
Yeah, I know that.
So that's what I'm saying. I gotta find something to hold it.
All right, well, get that ready. Ooh, let's cover our axle seals because you got them out.
I got one out.
You got one out. And it's still a little messy, yucky in there.
Yeah, here's the seal. I saved it.
Oh my god.
I used the pry bar to get it out because the normal seal puller was not.
Well, it doesn't fit anyway. Not easily.
Someone got it in there. It just was not having it.
Yeah, so we need to clean this a little better.
I just wiped it.
That's seen better days.
I haven't done anything else with it yet.
But it's seen better days. All right,
Well, so have you, but you know we don't say anything. We keep you
Hey,
around.
look it.
At me.
Yeah. Remember when we were young and hot?
I'm still young and hot.
That's what I tell myself every
In the
day.
morning,
I'm young
it's a
and
different
hot.
story.
I'm young and hot, but really I'm fat and old. I'm tired. All right, so Nick's gonna get the yoke off, and that's no yoke. All right, so
Got the nut off. I mean,
what? You got your nuts on
shh. Don't tell nobody.
while playing with Gary's rear end. You got your nuts off.
Whoa.
Ooh, baby. Ooh. Pull off your yoke, Daddy. Ooh. All right. The yoke looks fine.
Oh yeah, I can see the plate in the hair. Let me see that.
Yeah. Usually you can't with a bearing like that.
Hold on. Let me take that for a second.
I'll hold your yoke for you.
I just want to make sure. 'Cause I mean, I can see. Yeah. Yeah, that's usually not a good thing.
I mean, I get it. There's a crush sleeve and everything with this and all that, but
Well, I mean, it was
That's-
moving before we even looked.
yeah, that's scary as all hell.
That's probably why that seal went bad.
Yeah, because it's wallering itself out. Gary, watch this. We have an issue. Yeah, that's
You
That's-
know,
that's
it's
no bueno. We need to know what you want to do, bud. Of course, there's no drain plug on this fucking pumpkin.
no, it's just like the T-bird.
Yeah. Fine. All right. Well.
All right, well, bye.
Bye.